Hey Windows warriors, struggling with real-time protection in Windows Defender on Windows 11? We've got the fix. Stay tuned for a quick guide on how to turn it on or off hassle-free. Let's dive into seamless security. Press the Windows key plus R key to open the Run dialog. Type gpedit.msc and press Enter. Double-click on Administrative Templates. Navigate to Windows Components. Find and double-click on Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Double-click on Real-Time Protection. Now, double-click on Turn off Real-Time Protection. Select Not Configured. Click on Apply and then OK. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Search for Registry Editor. Click on Run as Administrator and confirm with Yes. Expand hkey_local_machine. Keep expanding through Software. Expand Policies. Expand Microsoft. And finally expand Windows Defender. Right-click on Disable Real-Time Monitoring. Click on it and hit Delete. Confirm with a Yes. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Open your Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes to grant administrative privileges. Now, here's the magic command. In the video description below, you'll find the command SFC/scannow. Copy it, paste it into the command prompt, and hit Enter. Wait for the verification process to reach 100%. Once it's done, close the command prompt. Now, the final step, restart your computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.